कोमल है कमजोर नहीं, शक्ति का नाम नारी है। जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुमसे हारी है। Good afternoon, honorable judges, teachers, media persons, audience, and all the other dear contestants from different schools. First of all, I would like to thank the entire team of this The Kid My Talent Hunt Session 2 2025 organizing committee co-organized by Hamro Samaj Deepada. The team also deserves applause and appreciation for providing us this platform to showcase our talent. I am Yusuf Khan, a student of Birpada Academy studying in class 7. Today, I am going to express my views on the topic that I believe everyone can relate to. The topic is the status of women in Indian society. Without a question, women plays a significant role in every household. But often people assume that their role is solely for the family, which is completely untrue. Beyond their families, women are now actively contributing to society. In the past, women in India were treated as second-class citizens with no rights in our patriarchal culture. Today, the role of women in modern India is undergoing a significant transformation. They are moving beyond traditional domestic roles and making their mark in various sectors of society. Education and social progress have empowered women, allowing them to pursue their goals and achieve professional success. Ladies and gentlemen, the right to education is the only way to uplift women's status and protect them from social discrimination. It is rightly said that if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a whole family. It is high time for all of us to realize that if everyone is equal, why do we still view women as less than men? Women must be treated with respect and dignity. Ladies and gentlemen, let's just imagine a world without women. The central and state governments have implemented various policies and initiatives to promote women's empowerment and gender equality. There have been numerous financial and skill development support targeted to deprive women to raise their standard by the government in both the levels. Some of these schemes include Mahila Mitra Scheme, Lakpati Didi Yojana, Ladli Behna Yojana, Kanya Shri, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and many others. There have been various women personalities in India who have inspired the whole world through their exceptional contribution for the country. To name a few, Sarojini Naidu, the Bharat Kokila, Nirmala Sitharaman, the Finance Minister of India, Draupadi Murmu, the Woman President of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Nooyi, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Priyanka Chopra, the list is endless. However, it is disheartening to realize that even after 79 years of independence, the women in India still have to rely on government schemes for their upliftment. A woman's strength is unmatched, her love is boundless, and her power is infinite. It is not just enough to celebrate Women's Day once a year. Instead, women must be made independent, confident, educated, and self-reliant. Strict laws and fast-track courts must be implemented to combat violence and injustice against women. I salute all the women of the entire world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Janani, Jai Nari Shakti. Thank you.